Hello students, welcome to another exciting lesson from JLD Academy, where we prepare you not only for examination but also for real-life communication and leadership. Today we are studying listening comprehension, and our specific focus is listening to identify a speaker mood, tone, and purpose. This topic is very important because in communication, words alone do not always tell the full meaning. Sometimes the speaker emotion, attitude, and intention help us understand what the message really means. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine someone says, "Why are you late?" If the person says it gently, the tone may be concerned. If the person says, "Shout it aloud," the tone may be angry. The words are the same, but the tone and mood are different. Understanding these differences is exactly what we will learn today. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the speaker mood, identify the speaker tone, determine the purpose of the speech, answer listening comprehension question confidently in examinations like WAEC. Let us begin by understanding listening comprehension. First, let us understand what listening comprehension means. Listening comprehension is the ability to listen carefully and understand spoken messages. When we listen to speeches, conversation, or radio broadcasts, we should not only hear the words, we should also try to understand the emotion behind the message, the attitude of the speaker, the reason the speaker is talking. This element helps us understand mood, tone, and purpose. Understanding speaker mood. Let us begin with mood. Mood refers to the emotional atmosphere created by the speaker. In other words, mood is the feeling the speech creates in the listener. Common mood include happy, sad, serious, hopeful, angry, fearful, excited. For example, if a speaker talks about a national tragedy, the mood will likely be sad or serious. But if the speaker talks about a national celebration, the mood may be joyful or exciting. So when you listen to a speech, ask yourself, what emotion does this speech create? That emotion is the mood. Understanding speaker's tone. Now let us discuss tone. Tone refers to the speaker's attitude towards the subject or audience. Tone can be recognized through the speaker's voice, the emphasis on certain words, the choice of language. Common tone include persuasive, warning, encouraging, critical, humorous, serious. For example, a teacher may say, "You need to study harder for your examination." Depending on how the teacher says it, the tone could be encouraging, disappointed, or serious. Therefore, tone tells us how the speaker feels about the topic. Understanding speaker's purpose. Let us look at purpose. The purpose of a speech is the reason why the speaker is speaking. In communication, speakers usually have a specific goal. Common purposes include to inform. This means giving information, for example, explaining how malaria spreads. To persuade. This means convincing the audience to agree with an idea, for example, encouraging students to read more books. To warn, this means alerting people about danger, example, warning about drug abuse. To entertain, this means to make the audience laugh or enjoy the speech, for example, storytelling or comedy. The last one is to educate. This means teaching knowledge. For example, a teacher explaining a topic in class. So whenever you listen to a speech, ask yourself, why is the speaker giving this message? The answer tells you the purpose. Practical listening example. Now let us examine a short speech. Listen carefully. Young people must avoid drug abuse. Drug abuse destroys health, damage families, and ruin the future of many students. Every young person must choose discipline and focus on education. Let us analyze this speech step by step. Step 1, identify the mood. What feeling does this speech create? The speech talks about danger and problem created by drugs. Therefore, the mood is serious and concerned. Step 2, identify the tone. Now ask yourself, what attitude does the speaker show? The speaker is warning students against danger, so the tone is warning and persuasive. Step 3, identify the purpose. Finally, ask yourself, why did the speaker give this speech? The speaker wants students to avoid drug abuse, so the purpose is to warn and educate young people about the dangers of drugs. How to answer evaluation questions in exams. Now, let us look at how questions may appear in examinations. Understanding how to answer these questions correctly will help you perform better in WAEC listening comprehension test. Question 1. Identify the mood of the speaker. To answer this question, ask yourself, what emotion does the speech create? Possible answer include serious, joyful, sad, hopeful, angry. For example, the correct answer is what? Serious mood. Question 2. Identify the tone of the speech. To answer this question, ask yourself, what attitude does the speaker show? Possible answers include warning, persuasive, encouraging, humorous. For our example, the correct answer is warning tone. Question 3. Identify the purpose of the speech. Ask yourself, why did the speaker give the speech? Possible answer includes to inform, to persuade, to warn, to entertain, to educate. For our example, the correct answer is to warn young people about drug abuse. Why this skill is important? Understanding mood, tone, and purpose is not only useful in examination, it is also important in many careers. Journalists use this skill when conducting interviews. Lawyers use it when listening to testimonies in court. Radio presenters use tone to communicate messages effectively. Leaders use tone when addressing citizens during national events. Good listening skill help people become better communicators and better leaders. Our lesson summary. Today we've learned the meaning of listening comprehension, the meaning of speaker mood, the meaning of speaker tone, the meaning of speaker purpose, how to identify them when listening to speeches or conversation. Always remember these 3 questions when listening. What feeling does the speech create? That is the mood. What attitude does the speaker shows? That is the tone. Why is the speaker speaking? That is the purpose. For your assignment today, listen to a radio broadcast, speech, or interview, then write down the mood of the speaker, the tone used in the speech, the purpose of the message. Submit your assignment through the learning platform provided by your facilitator. Remember, students, great communicators are first great listeners. When you learn to listen carefully, you understand people better, make better decisions, and become better leaders. Keep practicing your listening skill. Thank you for learning with JLD Academy. I will see you in the next lesson.